Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have the Look Fantastic beauty box from the UK to go over with you. So I'm really excited because I think this is the first time I've actually shown it on my channel. I have gotten this box before, but I just haven't showed it on the channel before. It is $15 a month. I think with taxes it comes out to $17 a month. So it's a pretty affordable box. And they send it to you in relatively a quickly manner. I don't feel like it takes more than like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks to get it from the UK. I do live in the US, so good to know that they ship everywhere. They always have like a nice little box that they put it in with a lid, and then inside they put a cute little magazine, kind of like reminds me of FabFitFun type thing. The whole box just smells wonderful. It's just a little pick-me-up. It has little things in there. There's full size and deluxe size items. So I would compare it to something more like on the lines of like the Allure beauty box, if you're familiar with that. But on the inside, they always put, it's so cute, like tissue paper and little confetti, so you feel like it's a present every time, which I love. And let's see, this book is going to be my guide today because it's going to tell me how much everything is worth and what size it actually is. So let's go ahead and start with this by Philip Kingsley, and it's a Bond Builder Split End Remedy. This looks like a deluxe size sample, but this has green tea leaf extract and castor oil in it. So I would think this is a deluxe size sample. Actually, I don't even see prices in here, so I might not be able to give you guys prices on that, but I can give you a little bit of information about each product and let you know if it's full size or not. Next up, we do have a full size item, and this is 2 satin hair scrunchies by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I actually think I own some stuff from them. Like, I feel like I have makeup erasers by that company. Anyways, satin scrunchies are really good for preventing split ends and good whenever you sleep. So those are always nice to have. I'm going to go ahead and throw away all this confetti. And then the next thing we have is from Dr. Botanicals. And it's a 2-mask turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask. This looks like a deluxe size sample. But let's see. This has turmeric root powder, lavender, and sea buckthorn in it. I'm not really sure what that is, but it sounds good. This whole box just smells wonderful. And then let's move on to our next item, which is Rituals Loving Body Cream. Energize Your Soul. Okay, this has sweet orange, cedar wood, sunflower seed oil inside of it. So this is actually a deluxe size sample also, but I think it's a pretty generous amount for a body lotion. So excited for that. Next up, we have another full-size item in here, and this is a cleansing gel by eCooking, and it's gentle cleansing, normal to oily skin. It says this has aloe vera, vitamin C, and cucumber in it. So that's kind of cool. I like a good face wash. I'm always excited to try different ones from different brands. So that is neat. So we got 2 full-size items in here. And looks like the rest are deluxe. So we have one more item inside, and this is the Oxygen Glow from Laboratories Filorga, Paris. But this has hyaluronic acid and L-enzymes in it. So it's kind of cool. This is a nice little pick-me-up box. Just something to make you feel a little bit better. It's not a lot of stuff in this box. That's why I've never really shown it on this channel before, but I figure at least put one video up so everyone can get an idea of what is in the box in case you're interested in getting the box. That's everything I have for you. Thank you so much for watching.